Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to install the Marvel IPTV. What you're going to do is you're going to navigate down to, actually let's go to the right to apps. Scroll down until we see, oops, we go to apps. Right under apps you see featured games. Go to category, go to utility, and you want the downloader, so download that and install it. So let's download it. Now it's installing. Okay, let's open it. Click on OK. Click OK again to bring up the keyboard. Now you want to type in snelltv.ddns SNELL dot ddns.net. Once you type all those in, just type in go, and it will take you to the same website you signed up at. Now all you got to do is navigate down, click on download, click here, then it'll start downloading. And you can always fast forward. Now we're going to install Marvel. It takes a little longer on the Fire Stick. Okay, now we're going to go to open. It says preparing Marvel for first run. By the way, the earth is flat. Just in case you guys didn't know, I decided to put that little message in there for y'all. So just wait for it to load. There we go, Marvel IPTV. Now you're gonna see it's probably gonna look like it's lagging on your end, but on my end it's not. You can skip updating wizard. It's not important. So you can click remind me later. I'll just back out. You can click dismiss here. You can click continue, or you can just exit that. You can exit that too. You just want to get to this button here in the middle. You want to make sure that it's blue. Once it's highlighted blue, let's exit out that. You want to click on OK. And you're going to click continue. And just wait for it. And the only reason why it's lagging on your display is because I'm using Team Viewer on the Fire Stick. It's actually running smooth on the TV, but not on the video capture. You can also fast forward past this part if you don't feel like waiting. Now we're at the end of download. Just wait for it to extract. It should be around 404. Yeah, 404.45 megabytes. Now, if you ever notice your screen darkens like that, do not ever hit the OK button. Just press up, down, left, right. You press OK, you're gonna cancel. Thought you should know that. Okay, so look like we're coming close to the end here. Now what you want to do is you want to force close. Do not click reload profile. Just click force close. And Snell Media Center will close. Just hit the home button on your remote. That'll bring you back to the main screen. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to put this on the front menu. Go down to your apps and game, navigate all the way to the right. Click on see all. We're going to locate the Marvel IPTV APK. Should be over here somewhere. There it is. You're going to press you see those 3 little slashes on your remote. You're going to click on option, and we're going to move to front. That way you don't have to go through searching for it. Let's click on it, and we're going to open it. Okay, so now that we're in, here is where you want to go to log in. I'm just going to log out and show you what it looks like when you log in. So you click on here, type in Snell. Well, I'm typing in Snell because it's the username I created, and this is the passcode I created. Marveliptv. Login successful. Welcome to Marveliptv. Then it'll say your username. Just click on OK. And you can have it set up the guides for you, like the iView TV guide and PBR TV guide. Or you can do both. You're gonna click on OK. Keep doing it until we get to the last dialog. Now if you're on the Fire Stick, select Fire Stick, Fire TV, 1 gig of RAM or lower, 2 gig of RAM or higher, NVIDIA Shield. I'm gonna click on Fire Stick. Click on OK. So now if you click on account information, this will show you your username, your passcode, when your account will expire before your next billing date. Well, on the billing date, show that you're active, how many connections you have. Yours gonna say 5. I just created that so for a demo only. Then you can go to your live TV and you will see all your categories here, and you can go to US English, and let's see if you go to first 48.
Stress sweat.
There you go. I'm not gonna go through all that. I got other videos for that. I'm just getting straight to the point. And then you have your catch up section here, where you can go back and catch up on shows that played in the last 48 hours. Let's see if we went to Fox Sports 2. Click on wherever that is.
Going to try to claim a big boy from the Premier League.
Fast forward through it, and you can rewind.
Trying to in behind the back 3.
But I'm not going to get into all that either. I'm just showing you what you could do here. I'll fix this menu here. Then you have your TV guide here, which we already set up. So if you click on PBR, it'll take you to PBR. If you click on iView, it'll take you to the iView. Downloading guide data, and there you go. So I'm just gonna exit out of that. You get your video on demand. You know, if you click on all, it'll tell you how much movies are in here. About 1,800, which I got a lot more. I actually haven't even added not even 25% of the movies in yet. And you got Blu-ray and 4K. Let me show you how good 4K looks on here. You gotta have a 4K display. Let's do Buck Bunny. I'm gonna fast forward through it. Let's fast forward. See, the 4K looks really clean. It plays smooth also. But I'll let you do your experimenting. I'm not gonna get into all that either. And we got Kung Fu, romance, stand-up comedy, and then your TV show section, which I still got a lot more TV shows to add. But we'll get to it. I got someone helping me with it now, so. Then you have Plex here. You won't see the 4,000 albums on yours, but I'll have it up on the next update. And we got different add-ons here. Now, whenever I'll write a message at the bottom letting you know update available. All you have to do is click on update. If you want to exit out, just click on exit here. Once you click exit, it says, do you like to force close Marvel? Because you click that power button, it's going to take forever. Just click on yes, and bam, you're out. If you have any questions, just leave me a message right under the video, and I will leave the link in the description also. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it and share it, and click on the notification button. And also, if you need any help, the best thing to do is to go to my Facebook group, which is Snell Media Center and Snell TV, and join the group to get in contact with me. All right, that's it. Talk to you guys later.